Ever wondered if you can sneeze while you're fast asleep? It might sound wild, but the truth is fascinating. Sleep paralysis myth. People think sleep means total paralysis. Nope. Although your brain is in a dream state, your body can still react, including sneezing. Forgetfulness factor. When you sneeze at night, your brain doesn't always remember it. We're less aware of stimuli, so you may not recall sneezing. Allergy alert, frequent night sneezing. It could be dust mites or pet dander. Maintaining a clean sleeping space is key. Quick tips: keep your bedroom dust-free. Use hypoallergenic covers on pillows and mattresses. Control humidity to reduce allergens. Want better sleep? Check out Dozy Wave's range of sleep products that help you sleep like a baby.